It used to be where you could buy a fluorescent lamp and it was the same fluorescent lamp, or you bought an incandescent lamp and that screw-in incandescent lamp, also called an A-line lamp, would be of various wattages. Today, lighting has become far more complicated, and there are far more choices of the types of lighting that you could use. So in a nutshell, all lighting is based on the type of application that you're looking to use it for. On the inside or interior lighting today, there are many alternatives to incandescent, halogen, as well as fluorescents. Fluorescents have now gone to thinner tubes or T5s, T8s. All fluorescent lamps are measured in eighths of an inch. The old 1950s technology is the T12. It used to be where the T12s were the only lamp that was out there. All fluorescent lamps are measured in 12/8 of an inch. As of this July, it's been federally mandated to discontinue manufacturing the 34-watt T12 in favor of a more efficient 25, 28, or 32-watt T8, which is basically 1 inch wide, or the T5, which is 5/8 of an inch wide. These thinner lamps have more efficient phosphors in there, the color rendering is better, they throw off more light, and they use less electric consumption so as to enhance the energy efficiency of the operating system. The next level, which is coming out more and more efficient today, are the LED type of products. LED is continuously changing, and every month there seems to be more and more strides in the lumens per watt that they exude. Today, LEDs have been configured in such a way that they can replace the A-line lamps that go into your regular table lamps, as well as PAR lamps or reflectorized lamps, where it's very difficult to tell the difference between your old system and your new system. Additionally, color rendering or the color temperature of these lamps have now been able to duplicate in many instances that which you had before. The advantages of LED is far less wattage, far less heat, and the life expectancy of a minimum of 50,000 hours if you're using a quality product. Keep in mind, not all LEDs are the same. The chips are the most important part of the lamp system itself, and it is important that you use a quality chip. Outside, where we're talking about parking lot lighting on a commercial basis, there are many new alternatives to what was out there. It used to be where mercury vapor or high pressure sodium was the lamp choice. Today you've seen metal halide lamps. Metal halide lamps over the last several years have been replaced with pulse start metal halide lamp, which is in essence a more efficient metal halide lamp to begin with. We have induction lighting systems today which work on a principle of a microwave that seem to be far more efficient than a metal halide lamp, and the LED type of configuration today, which is still, although in its preliminary stages, we have found many different installation practices where they work quite well, especially in the lower wattages, from the 175 up to the 400. There is still a bit of a challenge in replacing a 1,000-watt metal halide to some type of LED system. What we have found today is there are a few LED retrofit kits where you can put them into the existing 1,000-watt fixture, and we can get similar light levels, but you have to be careful of the photometric pattern that will come out there. There's a lot of information and understanding to know the difference between metal halide as well as LED. That being, metal halides are usually used in conjunction with a reflector that can control the beam spread, where LED is more of a linear, straight down type of approach, and even if you angle the LEDs, it's still going to be a straight line. So you're losing the advantage of having a reflector where we can kind of control the light a little bit better. But certainly in many applications, it is far more advantageous, especially if a 3-year to 5-year ROI is desired.